Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to add a background image in WordPress using Elementor. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. And it inspired me make this type of helpful video for WordPress users and WordPress learners as well. Okay, let's get started. This is the website which I built only for the tutorial purpose, and very fast I have added a section, call to action section, and in left side I have added some text like if you have more queries then get in touch, and in right side quick contact a button, and you can see I have added a background image in the section. So in this tutorial I will show you how to add this type of background image in any section which is built with Elementor. So just scroll down, then you can see I have added the same section very bottom of the page, and I want to add background image in this section. So edit the page with Elementor. So click here, edit with Elementor. Just scroll down, then this is the section where I want to give the background image. So you have to click here the container. Okay, you can see plus sign, then the 6 dot, then the cross. You have to select in middle where is the 6 dot. If you click here, then in left side top you can see edit container, then the 3 tabs, layout, style and advanced. You have to navigate to the style tab. So click here style. Okay, then the background, normal and hover. In this tutorial I want to add a background image, so select this the normal, then the background type. If you hover on it, the very first icon classic. Okay, if you click here, then you can see it will open. Then the image, you have to click the plus sign to choose a image. Click here, then the media library. If you already added image in media library, then you can choose image from here. Okay, or if you want to upload image from your device, then click here upload files, then the select files. This is the image which I want to use in this tutorial. So click and select, then the open. From the right side to bottom, click select. Okay, you can see the image has been uploaded. Now we have to fix others issue. So this is the image, and just scroll down, then you can see image resolution. You have to select it full. Okay, position, you can change position from here. I prefer center. If you want, then you can change from here. Okay, so I want to give center, then the attached I want to give is default. Okay, then the repeat, no repeat. Okay, then the display size, you have to select it covered. If you can check other option. Okay, you can see, but I think covered is the best option, so you have to select cover from here. Then the background overlay, if you want to give any color overlay on this section, then you can do it from here. Just click background overlay, then the color, I want to give a black color. So right here 6 hash and 601 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, then the opacity, you can see 0.5. if you want, then you can increase it. If increase it, then you can see it will more dark. Okay, so I think 0.5 is perfect. Just and publish it. Visit the website and refresh it. You can see it works fine, but I think I have to change the text color. So again go to the Elementor editor, then select the text and navigate to the style tab, then the text color. Previously I have set the blue. Now I think if I give white, it will be perfect. Okay, white, and it will perfect. Publish it from the right side top, then again visit the website and refresh the page. Okay, you can see it works fine. and it looks like more professional. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos on WordPress.